Nigga from the east side side. His name is Snoop Eagle Double G. All he used to wanna be was RTC. See, the name that 1982. Now what was I to do? All I wanna do is claim RTC, cause all of my homies from ICG. So we gon' do this thing for the LBC, cause we all one love, and yeah, this the dub. On mine, 11 getting slicker, buying liquor from 19 liquor stone, quick to dick a hoe. And get the big homie for a 64, he ain't gon' miss it though, cause I'm too slick for him to notice it was gone. But I fucked up and scraped his chrome, now he tryna take my dome. Hanging out all in front of my home, now I got to get some chrome on my own. Now it's really on, cause I'ma dome this nigga and get him for his shit. Put the switches on his riches, now his bitch is my bitch. Ain't that a trip? How I'm a crip, but I won't hesitate to dust another rip. See, that's the plan, I was brainwashed not to know. But nigga, fuck what you going through, it's too old. And by the time I'm 17, if I ain't in the pen, I'm on a mission with the homeboys, mashing again. Riding, cool banging, like